Hello to everyone. Let's start with the today's news. VChain, the third largest Indian hotel chain, ITC Hotels, relies on MyCare and joins partnership with the VChain. The third largest Indian hotel chain, ITC Hotels, which is a five-star hotel, will use the VChain-based tool MyCare as part of its reopening strategy after the disease which we have seen for 2 years. Visitors of the ITC hotels can scan the MyCare Trust mark, which is stored on the VChain Thor blockchain and displayed online or in the premises. The MyCare tool developed by VChain and DNVGL continues to be well received after two shipping companies, Viking Lines and Color Lines, as well as the international hotel group Intercontinental and the world's leading steel company ArcelorMittal recently implemented the VChain Thor blockchain based solution. A new well known company has now become known to rely on this VChain Thor's technology. With ITC Hotels, the third largest hotel chain in India, with over 100 hotels, will rely on MyCare. As DNVGL made public in a blog post, ITC Hotel has commissioned DNVGL Business Assurance, one of the world's leading independent third-party assessment and certification body, to implement the V Assure program to ensure the safe reopening of the hotels in the face of the long disease. Based on MyCare and the infection and emergent pathogen risk prevention framework, the program will review the existing hygiene and safety standards of the ITC hotels across India and help improve them. The result is expected to be a significantly improved health, hygiene, and safety standard for all ITC hotels in line with the national and international regulations and industry's best practices. By certifying and maintaining the standards, the hotel group is trying to increase consumer confidence. The CEO of ITC Hotel explained, the heightened level of health, hygiene, and safety will strengthen ITC Hotels' We Assure program and create greater moments of the trust for the customer. Our responsible luxury philosophy is committed to delivering world class luxury experiences that address the most important needs of well being and safety through responsible practices that are immensely relevant in the unprecedented circumstances we face today. DNVGL intends to train hotel staff and employees and will enable smooth implementation of the protocol while aiming to ensure guests have strict cleanliness and disinfection practices. Implementation will be assessed by the DNVGL using a maturity assessment protocol and will include a review and extension of infection standards, a detailed risk assessment of processes and practices, including front office, housekeeping, laundry, food and beverages, facility layout, equipment maintenance, and infection risk management. Visitors to ITC Hotel can find MyCare QR code at the hotel and open DNVGL's rating statement, which provides numerous details of the review in a consumer friendly manner that is stored on the VChain Thor blockchain for added integrity. The CEO of DNVGL Business Assurance commented on the cooperation with the Indian five-star hotel group, working daily with the hospitals on quality and infection prevention. We know how complex but also how critical it is to have the right standard and risk based preventive system in place. To support ITC in putting a robust system in place that helps them regain and continually build trust toward customers, we combine our experience and expertise from HSE and risk management, our own infection prevention standard for hospitals, and industry wide best practices. So we are seeing that Indian ITC hotel has joined with VChain Thor blockchain for infection regarding risk management with the help of DNVGL. DNVGL. Let us see what is this ITC hotel is all about. It is a hospitality company. ITC Hotels is an Indian hotel chain based out of Gurgaon. Gurgaon is near Delhi, with over 100 hotels. It is India's fifth largest hotel chain. It is part of the ITC Limited group of companies. It has a franchise agreement to cooperate most of its hotels as part of the luxury collection of the Marriott International. It was founded in 1975 by Anil Chadda and headquarters Delhi, Calcutta, Bombay, Madras, Rajasthan also. This is the website of the ITC Hotel Groups. It is showing that you can book at even at this time number 14 to number 15, one room, one adult, zero child. Reserve if you want to reserve, you can reserve it. What more it says, authentic indigenous luxury experiences. With Namaste as the enduring symbol of its brand experience and responsible luxury as the guiding premises, ITC hotels are an archetype of the culture and the ethos of each destination, offering authentic indigenous luxury experiences which are in harmony with the environment and society. With a platinum grade commitment to our guests and the planet, each ITC hotel is certified with a LEEDS LEED. It is Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, platinum rating for globally recognized planet positive endeavors. ITC Hotel was named as the 2021's USGBC Regional Leadership Award recipient by the US Building Council. This is global recognition that celebrates organizations around the world who are using green building and sustainable products to practices to improve the quality of the life for those around them. This is this signature well-being planet positivity. This is ITC Narmada, and our other hotels are ITC Grand Bharat Retreatment Gurugram, Goa, Delhi, ITC Moria. Let us view other hotels. This is first one, Distinguished Fortune Hotels. I am also from India and I am speaking from Punjab, which is a borderline state and which is 500 kilometers from New Delhi. These are the other hotels. Kanpur, Bengaluru. Bengaluru is an industrial hub, IT state. New Delhi, Sheraton, and other Agra. This is ITC Rajputana Jaipur. Jaipur is in Rajasthan. Designed along the lines of traditional Haveli with its own definition of space and splendor, ITC Rajputana is located in the heart of the city and offers authentic indigenous experiences. Award-winning cuisine, perfect blend of Rajasthani architecture and Rajput hospitality. Lead platinum rated hotel. This yes, we heard Bengaluru. So if you want to come to India, to my country or my state, you can come anytime when you will be rich from cryptocurrencies. This is ITC Maratha Bombay. Everybody knows Maratha Bombay. Inspired by the Maratha dynasty and located close to the airport, the luxury hotel in Mumbai combines European and Indian sensibilities with vintage charm and contemporary efficiency. In this hotel, we have 380 spacious room and suites, award-winning cuisine offerings, and LEED Platinum rated retreat. Gurugram is it is in Haryana, Punjab, Haryana. These are combined state. So this was all about it. Hotel listing. What other says 5-star? Yes, we have discovered it. Marwadi Bazaar. Shopping arcade situated in the hotel offers all its special about Rajasthan, from bandhani dupattas to blue pottery show pieces. You can get it all here. So that's all for it. Kindly install antiviruses on your computer and VPN if possible. And they protect your computer as they scans and blocks any adware, spyware running on your computer, and keep you safe from any threats. So at this time BTC is 16,600 BUSD and VChain is running at $0.01922. So that was all. So you are seeing that partnerships are pouring in the VChain. So we should invest only in which we hear daily in the news, and what are they except Bitcoin and Ethereum. Other which we normally see are Binance, Polygon, VChain, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin. These Ripple, these are good coins because we already hear about them, every day or every year. They have been in the space for many years, 5 years or longer. So investing in the stable coin which has been tested the test of the time is a better strategy than just in for 1 year company old. You can know which one are they. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.